Hello friends, welcome to the machine tool design community again. Today in this video, I am planning to cover the topic that is strip layout. See friends, whenever customer comes to you and asks you regarding the blanking or piercing die or a progressive die, the first thing he will be interested in the scrap generated from the strip width, and the economy factor. That is how much will be the efficiency of the tool. So let's go ahead and start with strip layout. The strip layout is the layout of the blank or pierce in the strip. So you have to try different type of strip layout, that is single pass, double pass, or you can pass the strip twice, front to end and end to front. So I will be covering this thing in this video going ahead. So let's start with the terminology of the strip layout. So whenever the part comes to you, the first thing you will be doing is take a part and put it on the strip layout. See, you can do it on AutoCAD, you can do it this manually. In previous, like when it was not a CAD available, the designer used to do it on the paper. They used to cut the paper, cut the part on it and see what is the efficiency. Nowadays we have a lot of tools, that is we have AutoCAD, we have 3D softwares, and even we have a lot of strip layout generation softwares available. So you can do it in various ways. But if you want to do it on paper, I can in this video will be useful. So this will be our strip and this will be our part. So in this, first thing will be the front scrap bridge. That is, front scrap bridge will be at the start of the strip. So that this will be, you will be loading this strip and the first blank will be cut out. The front scrap will be at the start of sheet. We can take 1.5 into sheet thickness. You take a general rule, it will be 1.5 sheet thickness for sheet. Then we have scrap bridge. Scrap bridge will be the blank or the scrap, that is the blank scrap at the top of the sheet. That we can consider as 1.2 into sheet thickness. Now we have scrap thickness here. We have scrap thickness here, and this will also be a scrap bridge. So we can take these three as a scrap bridge. So you can put the parts with the help of scrap bridge. Then from scrap bridge, we will be able to calculate the pitch of the part, the sheet. That is, the pitch will be, after one blank, we will be sliding the strip ahead with one pitch distance. So the operator will be cutting one part. After cutting, the press plan will go up. Then he will move the strip with one pitch distance. That stopper will be arranged here, and then he can just push or pull with the help of stopper with one pitch distance. Then with this, we will be able to get the width of the strip. So width of the strip is blank size plus 2 into scrap bridge. So now with the help of these three formulas, we will be able to tell customer that the tool will be required, say example 39.5 width of sheet. So what he can do is, the standard size of sheet available in the market generally is 1250 by 2500. So then you can tell a customer that you can cut a sheet of 39.8 on the width of 2500 or 1200. So he can give you, he can arrange a sheet width according to your calculations. So now let's go ahead and take one case study so that you will be able to calculate economy factor of the same. So friends, let's now study a case study to find the economy factor of a sheet where we need to 30 mm and to the sheet thickness of 2 mm. So the first thing will be the scrap bridge. That formula equal to 1.2 into sheet thickness, that is equal to 1.2 into 2.4 mm. Now from scrap bridge we will be able to find width of the strip. Width of the strip is equal to 30 plus 2 into scrap bridge, that is 30 diameter of the blank plus 2, that is here and here scrap bridge. So we will have 30 plus 2 into 2.4, that is 34.8. From here we can also find pitch distance, that is 30, which will be center distance between the two blank plus one scrap bridge, that is equal to 32.4. And area of blank, you can find the area of any geometry which we are blanking. So economy factor will be, you can put all this into the formula, area of blank into 100 into number of rows divided the pitch into width. Okay, so you can put this thing in the formula, you will get 69.42 percentage. Okay, now remember guys, the strip thickness above 60% utilization level is a good kind of design. Now you can try different type of layout. So I will study with the layout of two blanks at a time. So now what I am doing here is I am changing the layout. That is, I am trying different iterations for scrap strip layout. So now I will be putting two rows and let's see that if we get more economy factor, so what will be changing? First, scrap bridge will be the same, that is 1.2 into s. Now center distance will change, that is equal to cos 30 into pitch, that you can calculate it according to your geometry, you can even calculate on AutoCAD. Then area of blank will not change. Now definitely width of the strip will be changing. So now what I am putting here in this formula is area of blank will be same into 100 into number of rows. Here number of rows will be 2 and pitch and width will be changing. So now I have put this into formula and then I have got 69.42, which is the efficiency of single row. So you can conclude with these three type of different examples and say to the customer that the utilization factor was highest in the first layout. So I have selected this and that's why I am going designing a tool according to do this. See sir, everywhere, whenever you are doing, this will be the first step in your blanking and piercing die. That is, after cutting force, selecting the press, this will be the first step, because when you will be designing your strip layout, your customer will approve it that okay, you can go this kind of strip layout and width is acceptable to us, strip width is also acceptable to us, and the blanking, the scrap which is going to be generated is also acceptable. Then you can go ahead with the approval. With the second stage, that is start designing die and then punch according to this and go ahead with the blank and piercing die fully. Okay guys, so you can go ahead and design the blank and pierce die with the help of these theory. If you have any question, you can go write in your description column. I will try to answer it as per my knowledge. Also, you can hit subscribe button so that whenever I release my new video, you will get notification. Okay guys, best of luck for your design career. Thank you. Bye bye.